Good afternoon, boys and girls. I'm back again to help you with your homework for tonight. Let's start with number 1. The expanded notation of a number is shown. 3 times 10,000 plus 8 times 100 plus 2 times 10 plus 6 times 1. What is this number written in standard form? All right, so this is written in expanded notation. So what I want you to do when it's written in expanded notation, let's go ahead and write above it in expanded form. So 3 times 10,000. Remember, you're taking this digit and you're substituting it for that digit. So this is 30,000 plus, bring that 8, we're going to substitute it for the 1. So this is 800 because 8 times 100 is 800 plus 2 times 10, okay, substitute it, that's 20, plus 6 times 1 is 6. All right, now we have it written in expanded form. We're going to do the same thing we did with Tuesday night's homework. Find your largest number. It's 30,000. How many digits does 30,000 have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to have 5 blanks. Ones, tens, hundreds, comma. There is a 3 in the 10,000s place. There is an 8 in the hundreds place. There is a 2 in the tens place. There is a 6 in the ones place. Oh, I'm missing a digit. Let's go back and look. That's the thousands place. When I go back to look, it doesn't look like there was anything, so therefore the digit has a value of 0. Nothing there. So let's go ahead and match it up. Let's start with 30,000. Letter A, 38,000, 38,000, 3,000, 30,000. So it looks like I can get rid of all of them but D. So I know it's not A because 38,000 and 30,000 do not match. 38 and 30, 3,000 and 30. Look at D. Let's make sure go all the way through. Everything matches. So the correct answer is D. Number 2, the list shows 3 clues about a number. The number is less than 6,538. The number is greater than 6,355. The number has a digit less than 5 in the hundreds place. Which of these could be the number described? Okay, when you have 3 clues, I want you to go back. After you've read through the 3 of them, let's go back and underline some important words. So the number is less than 6,538. The number is greater than 6,355. And the last clue, the digit is less than 5 in the hundreds place. Now those 3 clues are pretty important, but I'm going to start with clue number 3. I don't have to do them in order. I'm starting with clue number 3 because it's a very specific clue, and I think I can eliminate some of my answer choices. So let's go back and look at my answer choices. I'm going to look in the hundreds place on each number. So let me go ahead and underline the hundreds place. Now remember, if you don't remember where the hundreds place is at, sing the song. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. You'll do that for each number to make sure you're looking at the right place value. Now the digit has to be less than 5. Well, this one is 5. That's not less than 5. We would call that equal to. Is 2 less than 5? Okay. Letter C. Oh, 5 again. And then letter D. Yes, 4 is less than 5. So if you look here, I have it narrowed down to B and C. I'd rather look at 2 numbers than all 4 of them. So the next one, the number is less than 6,538. So when we look at this number is less than 6,538. Well, let's write it out. Let's see, 6,268 is less than 6,538. Yeah, that's true. Let's do the next one. Let's slide it over here. 6,449 is less than 6,538. Now remember, with both of these, we're not comparing the thousands because they're the same. We go here, 200, 500, 500. So the alligator mouth, it's eating that number. So this number is less than this number. Same thing. They're both 6,000. This number is less than this number. So far, both of these answers follows this clue. So I'm done with that clue. Let's go. Oh, you know what? I should have probably checked that one too. Let's go to this next one. The number is greater than 6,355. So do the same thing. So take this number, 6,268. It's all about keeping your work organized. Is greater than, so that symbol looks like this, 6,355. So again, we're not comparing the thousands because they're the same. Let's look at the hundreds. Is 200 greater than 300? No, it's not. So B cannot be the answer because it doesn't follow this clue right here. Let's double check here. 6,449. What are we looking at? Greater than 6,355. Again, the thousands place. This is 400, 300. 400 is greater than 300. So guess what? D follows all three rules. D is my answer. All right, so far so good. Let's look at the last one, number 3. The table below shows the number of each kind of magazine sold in a store during 1 month. Fashion magazine, news magazine, entertainment, sports. List the magazines in order from greatest to least numbers sold. It wants us to list the magazine. Not the number sold, the magazine. This is important too, from greatest to least. So we're going G to the L. Greatest to least. G to the L. So let's look at our numbers. I like how they're lined up for us. So that's less work we have to do because we're not going to have to rewrite our numbers. It's lined up. So let's start in the thousands place. The greatest to the least. When I see this, 2 is greater than 1. But these have the same value in the thousands place. So let's go to the hundreds place. It's the same value again. We can't compare that, so we got to find the greatest all the way in the tens place. So 1 and 8. Which is greater, 1 or 8? We're not looking at these two numbers yet because we went to the greatest and then we compared, the same, so we're here in the tens place. So 8 is greater than 1. So 2,186 is my greatest number. So first place. Second place would be this one. So now we're going to compare these two. Which one is the greatest? Because I'm working G to the L. Which is the greatest? 1,700, 1,700. Oh my goodness. It's the same all the way to the tens place. So we're looking at the ones. 8, 3. Which one is greater? 8. Therefore, this is my third choice, my third place, and this is my fourth choice. So now, boys and girls, you are just going to write the names of these magazines in order. So the first one is sports. Comma. Let's separate because when we're listing more than 2 things, we are separating them with a comma. Okay, second place is entertainment. first, second, third place. And you know what I would like for you to do too? Let's check it off. That's a good idea. Third place, fashion. And then fourth place, news. We've listed in order from greatest, our number 1, to least, our number 4. And all those strategies makes my teacher heart happy. All right, guys, thank you so much. I'll see you tomorrow.